everyone, this is Irish Me Yongkat, your gym instructor for today. I will be using dumbbell. So dumbbell, it is a type of free weight, is a piece of an equipment used in weight training. It can be used individually or in pairs with one in each other hand. 6 benefits of weight training for women. First, improve fat loss. When lifting weights, you build lean muscles. Second, enhance your mood and reduce stress. Third, gain strength and without bulking. Fourth, reduce your risk of injury, back pain, and arthritis. Fifth, improve your athletic performance. Sixth, reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes. So let's start our execution using the dumbbells. First is the push-up with dumbbells. So first, dumbbell push-up to Renegade Row. The Renegade's Row dumbbell push-up is the strength workout and best for targeting upper body muscles such as arms and shoulder, back, and chest. Note, warm up for 5 minutes before doing dumbbell push-up is biceps curls, also known as arm curls or dumbbell curls. Level, beginner. The biceps curl is a highly recognizable weight training exercise that works that muscle of the upper arm and to a lesser extent to those of the lower arm. It is a great exercise for seeing results and strength and definition. Step-by-step instruction. Select dumbbells of a weight you can lift 10 times with good form. Suggested starting weight are 5 pounds or 10 pounds per dumbbell. Let's begin. First, begin standing tall with your feet about hip width apart. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged. Second, hold 1 dumbbell in each hand. Let your arm relax down at the side of your body with palms facing forward. Third, keeping your upper arm stable and shoulder relaxed, bend at the elbow and lift the weight so that the dumbbells approach your shoulders. Your elbow should stay tucked in close to your ribs. Exhale while lifting. Fourth, lower the weights to the starting position. And lastly, do 8 to 10 curls, then rest and do one another 2 more sets. Next is the dumbbell chest fly. You can perform this movement with minimal equipment. If you're a beginner, start with a light dumbbell weight of 3 to 5 pounds. If you're more advanced at upper body exercises, consider using 8 to 10 pounds weight instead. You can also increase the weight as you become more advanced. Equipment needed: 2 sets of dumbbells and flat bench. If you don't have any bench, you can just do it on the floor. First, lie flat on your back on a flat incline bench or floor. Place your feet firmly on the floor on either side of the bench. Your head and back should remain firmly pressed into the bench or on the floor throughout the exercise. Second, ask a spotter to hand you the 2 dumbbells or gently pick them up from the floor and hold one in each other hand. Third, lift arms above from the head so they extended but not locked out. There should be a slight bend at your elbow and your palms and dumbbell should be facing each other. Fourth, inhale and slowly lower dumbbells in an arc motion. They're in line with the chest. Your arm will be extended to the side but not locked out. Drop your arm lower than your shoulder. Fifth, exhale and slowly press the dumbbells up in the same arc motion. Sixth, or lastly, perform 10 to 15 reps. Rest. Do 3 sets total. Is the shoulder press with dumbbell. To build robust shoulders, you need to target them for a multiple angle. To activate all 3 heads of the deltoid muscles, dumbbells are the perfect tool for the job. These are the ways how to execute the shoulder press exercise. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, bend your knees slightly and lean forward 45 degrees from your hips. Hold the dumbbells together below you and keep your shoulder blades retracted. With your arms slightly bent, raise the weight out to your side until the arms are parallel to the floor and slowly return them to the start. Form fix. As soon as you use a bit of extra momentum from your legs or hips, you'll be shifting the tension away from your rear deltoids and rendering this exercise useless. Reduce the weight rather than giving your muscles extra help.
始めるよ Let's go キュンからの逆キュン
As part of our exercise, let's do the reverse fly with dumbbells. So first, grab a pair of dumbbells and stand with your feet hip width apart and your knees slightly bent forward at the hips and let your arms hang straight down from your shoulders, palms facing your body. Raise both arms out to the side as you squeeze your shoulder blades together. Return to the start. That's 1 rep. Form tips. When you're lifting the dumbbells, you should focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Stay stoned. Also, be sure to keep your chest open to the ground, which will ensure you use your upper back and deltoid to lift the dumbbells. It is also important to think about your arms. Lead with your arm. Make sure your elbows are slightly bent and don't go past shoulder height when you lift the dumbbells. And don't forget about those abs. Keep them engaged so don't put too much pressure on your lower back or neck. Today, thank you for watching and I hope that you have learned a lot from me. That's all. Thank you.